guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Makita mo yung asawa ko.
Ito yung asawa ko.
Chuchi.
Punta kami na BeautyCon. Ano naman. The last day of BeautyCon ngayon. Yan. Si Madam Auring. Ang prinsesa ng Encantadia, si Dayan. Team Eye Face. Ay, wait. So, we're going to SMX Convention Center.
Hello, vlog!
Hi guys! Maghanap kami ng mga artista doon sa taas.
Kala ko naglalaki.
Ay ang gwapa ni Ella. Ang ganda siya daw. Puto Jenny.
Picture tayo.
Same picture daw.
Ako pa ba?
Ay,
Ano tayo?
Hindi kailang maghingi.
Hindi makita.
Guys, supportahan namin si Catherine Bernardo.
Bernardo.
Bernardo guys. So guys, supportahan nyo siya guys kasi nandito siya ngayon sa SMX BeautyCon. So, let's watch my YouTube channel para kayo guys, makatulong kahit paano. Charot! And punta na kami guys kasi fans na fans namin si Catherine Bernardo. Hi Catherine! I love you so much! Ayan, kamukha ni Catherine Bernardo. Si ate. Hi, Eyeface. Hi, Eyeface. Ang maganda sa Eyeface, si Alan. Register muna kami guys ha. Doon na sa kabila. Doon. Doon po. Register mo na. Dito. Pwede naman dito yata, oh.
Eh, iyo pa lumabas.
I-connect mo sa ano. Dito po tayo magpa-register na SMBT. Watson's Park. Anong sa kanila?
Hair is made of keratin and lipids. 90% keratin, 10% lipids. Lipids
Saan sila? Sa loob na? Yan. Pasok na kami guys. Ay, dito na kami sa loob. Yan si Catherine.
Panty Miracles.
For someone na nag-style everyday ng buhok, the Panty Pro V treatment is a truly game changer kasi yung pag-color, paggagamit ng pagkulot, plancha, is part of her styling talaga. So, that's why it's very important na gumamit ng ng tamang product, which is Pantene Miracle Treatment.
That's so true. Who says that we can't style style, bleach your hair. Who says we have to sacrifice na masira yung buhok? Pantene is here to support our kaartehan, and I've been witness. So is there a particular difference between these two different product packaging?
Pantene Miracle Treatment is designed to deeply nourish and strengthen hair. So, the Daily Serum treatment contains about 5,000 pro-pearls, perfect for everyday use and to keep hair's the
Gabi
intense
Garcia.
mask. And it's more concentrated with about 10,000 pro-pearls, ideal for 1 to 3 times per week
The last day
as
for
a
the
hair
beauty
reset.
con.
So, this is best for
Manila City.
repairing severely damaged hair from bleaching, coloring, and
So the product is recommended to be used 1 to 3 times per week, right? So actually, one bottle of this will last you a really long time. It's very sweet. Love it. Of Pantene, not just from a salon, but from home, okay? No need to go to a salon every single time to get amazing hair transformation, right? Yes, okay, so you can make your house a salon. Now, before we officially wrap up this segment, is there anything that you want to share in particular to everybody here at BeautyCon?
Always remember na gumamit kayo ng tamang product sa buhok niyo para to
Of course, that is the gist of this whole stage segment. Now, last but not least, our beautiful Gabby. Yes, of course, you do not have to sacrifice your hair health just because you want to bleach it, you want to color it. Pantene is here to support you, to support your kaartehan. And we all have Pantene because it's so accessible. It's available in Watson. So also, please do drop by our booth. Our Pantene booth is just right there. I will be dropping by there after this segment. So I hope to see you guys there. You can also try and see the product for yourself. Yes, and there are games there as well where you can win prizes. And the booth is very aesthetic, so you guys can take some photos or videos and of course post them online. And malay nyo, you guys might get some pictures with Gabby as well.
Yeah,
right?
I'll see you guys. Pupunta kayo sa booth? So hina. Isa pa, pupunta kayo sa booth? Alright, I'll see you guys there.
Awesome! Thank you so much to Gabby, Mark, and Ray. Let's all give them a round of applause, guys.
Grabe yung supporters ni Mark doon, no? I think he has friends.
We've got a crowd favorite. Again, thank you guys for sharing your time with us today. I know you're super busy with all your schedules and you braved the traffic or the rain as well. And we learned so much about Pantene Pro V Miracles from your own insights and experiences. So again, to everybody here, if you haven't yet, perfect your hair care routine with Pantene for stronger hair and less hair fall. If you're ready to give your hair the love that it deserves, head on over to the Pantene BeautyCon booth for an amazing experience. And do not miss out on Pantene's exciting games and prizes. Once again, this has been Denise Silva, and it was my honor to have been your host for this segment. Enjoy the rest of BeautyCon, guys.
Thank you guys! I'll see you in the Pantene booth! Truly, hair is our ultimate crown of confidence. Pantene reminded us that strong hair is strong beauty. With that, travelers, a playful flair is just around the corner. So stay tuned.
Pantene, salamat. Kylie! Kylie Jenner! You look like Kylie Jenner! Ay, Bella na lang. Maduro kung kayo umalis tayo.
At
Guys,
hindi
may
harsh
na kami.
yung feeling sa skin pag nasa-skincare ako. Kaya ito yung talagang product na pwede gamitin sa any weather, any season.
Yeah. Gentle, mild, yet suitable for all skin types.
Yes.
Muna tayo.
Magkahalik si ikaw.
Hoy,
Wala pa si-
Gino,
wala
I'm
pa
so
si Catherine.
excited for my blind date today.
My God, ikaw ah!
Tara na.
Guys, it's time to get
Kanina
married.
sa
kami, guys.
backstage, nakalimutan niya ambassador siya today. Gusto lang niya makahanap ng jowa.
Start na tayo.
Okay. So, can I expect nothing less from the Radiant Ashley Choi? Now, if you want to go like her, don't forget to check out.
Labas na kami guys. Labas na kami. Usually pa kami. Hindi namin nabutan si Catherine Bernardo.